Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are so doing well. So guys, today's video I will be using aboniki on my hair. So if you have watched my last video, you will see that I use aboniki on my hair. So today I will be mixing it with virgin hair fertilizer. So I will be mixing it with virgin hair fertilizer on my hair today to promote hair growth and also for healthy hair, for dandruff and all that. So it helps to get rid of dandruff really fast and also help to promote hair growth. So here is my virgin hair fertilizer. So I'm just going to press out some inside my jug as you can see. So I'm just going to press out some inside my jaw. So these two combo together, guys, is going to encourage hair grow like your hair is going to grow like crazy. So here I have my coconut oil, guys. This is pure native coconut oil. So I'm just going to scoop out some coconut oil inside this mixture. Coconut oil also help to moisturize our hair and also contribute to hair growth also. So I'm just going to add that inside my jar. So the next product I will be adding is going to be my castor oil, guys. Castor oil is also good for hair growth. It also strengthen our hair and also promote healthy hair growth. So if you are not be using castor oil on your hair, just try and start using it. You are going to really love it. So I'm just going to add just little of castor oil inside this product to encourage hair growth. So to my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming. I appreciate you guys so much. If you are here for the first time, thank you also for coming. I appreciate you so much. So guys, here is my grape grapeseed oil. So I'm going to add my grapeseed oil also, guys. Now I'm going to add sweet almond oil. So sweet almond oil is also good for our hair. It also contribute to healthy hair growth. So this is everything that we are going to be using. No. So here I have my moringa and knee and amla plus MSA powder oil. So I'm going to add that inside also, guys. This oil is so good for hair growth. It's so beneficial for my hair. So here I have my glycerin. So I will also be adding glycerin, vegetable glycerin inside also to help keep moisturizing my hair. So now I'm done adding everything inside, guys. You can add more anything you want. So here I'm just going to scoop out everything inside the spoon. Nothing is going to wait. So I'm going to hue everything is I'm going to hue everything, like just everything inside my jar. So I'm going to mix the oil and the grease together as you can see me doing right here. So just mix everything just like so. You can use your finger, guys, if this thing, if it not mix well, you can use your finger to mix it. So if I'm applying it to my hair, I'm going to use my finger just to mix it to make everything combine very well. So now here I am. So here I've already made a video yesterday, a day before I made this video, when I used okra butter. So this is the hair, so this is the next day. So I decided to use this veggie fertilizer also on top of it to keep the hair growing. So guys, now I've already applied the aboniki and the veggie fertilizer on the other side of my hair. So I'm going to be showing you guys this side of my hair. So I'm going to show you how I will be using it on my hair. So thank you guys so much to my return. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss out any of my new video. So guys, here I will just put my hand inside the jar, bring out the product, use it to rub my finger, then I will use my finger to rub it on my scalp, just the way you are seeing me doing, just like so, like rub it on my scalp, use it to massage my scalp, just like so. So every the product can really goes inside my scalp very well. The side that is dry, I will just add oil. The side that is still damp a little, I will not add water. So the side that is damp, I will not add water because I just make this the day before I make this video. So that is how I will be using it, guys. So good for hair growth. Like these two combo together, no matter how stubborn your hair is, they are going to break into your hair and they are going to grow. It also help with dandruff. So if you have dandruff, just try this two combo together and you are going to. So guys, when you use the two together, you are going to really get a lot of benefit from this product. So aboniki help to regrow thinning hair and baldness, and also help with hair growth problem. So it helps to stimulate the scalp. So if you can apply it direct on your hair without missing it, that is going to be just fine. But the hotness is so much that this thing they hot like tomorrow not day. Like if you can just apply it on your scalp direct, it's going to be fine. So if you can just mix it, just add oil to it, so break it down a little bit. So that is how I use it on my hair. So virgin hair fertilizer is also good, also help to stimulate hair growth. It's also good to get blood flowing. You have to make your scalp, circulate your scalp, and also keep your blood flowing. So it also good to promote hair growth. So if you can use this on your hair every day, on your hair and on your scalp, you are going to see a very good result. It's going to condition your scalp, it's going to get rid of dandruff, and also condition your break and dry hair. So if your hair is dry, your hair is breaking, so just try aboniki or veggie hair fertilizer. If you have dandruff on your hair, just try the two. It's going to work very well on your hair. So people also, the common ingredients in this product is menthol. So virgin hair fertilizer have menthol, and aboniki also have menthol. So menthol is good for hair growth. It also have the this menthol is known as a peppermint oil, right? So peppermint oil is also good, like to stimulate the scalp. So guys, peppermint could potentially improve hair growth, and also it can prevent some hair loss. So peppermint menthol also imparts a fresh smell and also tingle sensation on the skin and also on the scalp. Like that tingle kind of feeling is so good. Like when you use this product, you're going to feel that way. The two products have this ingredients in them. So just get that in mind. You are going to feel that tingle sensation on your scalp. So that is going to help to stimulate hair growth, right? So the benefit is going to be so much, like you are going to reap those benefits from using this product on your hair. So guys, this is going to be so good for our hair growth. So I'm just going to continue to apply this to my hair and also on my scalp. Guys, just concentrate on your scalp. Make sure you put this product on your scalp. Don't mind the the hotness, should I call it hotness, or tingle that you are feeling. So it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine in a little time. So the feeling is going to just be it's going to come down. Yeah, you're not going to feel it like for a very long time, so it's going to come down. So going to reduce, and everything is going to work well on your hair. So I'm just going to use it to massage my scalp and also put it on my hair, as you can see me doing right here. So if you like this video, share with your friends and family that have their tiny hair grow, that have baldness, that need to grow back their hair. Share with your friends, share with your family. Use it on your edges. You can also grow back your edges with this product. You can grow back your edges. Just mix it and be putting it on your edges every day, or anywhere that you have tiny hair. So just be putting it on that part of your hair. You can also use it all over your hair, just the way I'm doing it, just to encourage hair growth. So yeah, that is basically what you can use it for, to promote hair growth and also cure dandruff in the scalp. So guys, subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. Turn on your bell on. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you guys so much. So if you can, if you are looking, you want to buy aboniki, you can see it in Africa shop. It's in Nigeria made the products used for pain release and also belly fat. So it really burn belly fat really well. So it also work on pain release. So it can also contribute to hair growth. So that's why I'm using it on my hair. So if you can't find it here in Italy, you have people back home, just call them to send them to send it for you if you want to use it. I got my here in Italy in Africa shop. So it's in Africa shop here in Italy. So you can, if you live here, you can get it. I think you can also get it anywhere in the world. So now I am done applying it to my hair. So I'm just going to use the remaining one inside my jug. So to I'm just going to put it on my scalp. So I don't want to waste it. So this product is so precious to be wasted. So I'm going to heal everything inside, put it on my edges, my hairline, everywhere is going to benefit from. If I can even put it on my beard, I can even put it on my beard so that it will grow faster. Oh my goodness, I'm just joking. So guys, this is how basically how I do. So here is my hair band, my rubber band, or what they call it, hair band, hair plastic, hair rubber. So I'm going to use it to just get and put my hair in a bun. So I'm going to put my hair in a bun like this and just allow the air to generate heat, so to contribute to blood flow. So everything is going to work well. Don't worry, we are going to grow. This hair must grow. So I'm just going to just use it to tie my hair into bun like this. Then I'm going to put um, plastic cap on my hair, plastic bag. So I'm going to also put plastic bag on my hair, just like so, just to trap the heat inside my hair to really encourage hair growth. If you can do this every day or every other day, you are going to get the benefit, guys. This is going to work so well on your hair and also on my hair. Okay, so I'm going to double this thing. Don't worry, the thing did not really like hurt so much on my scalp. I don't know why, but it's not really hot so much, but it's hot. So the aboliki is very hot. So because I don't know why it's not that hot on my scalp, but I can still feel it, like the I can still feel it on my scalp, but it's not that much. So like it's not that much. I can bear it, you know. Yeah, I can bear it. Can do anything for hair growth now. So let's bear it. So the part that I love in using this product in the tingle part, so it's help to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. So that's why I love using this product on my scalp and also on my hair. So by mixing these two together, guys, this is going to be so well good on my hair. So it's time to dance. Let's dance. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you guys a lot, and I will see you all in my next one. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and also like, comment at the comment section below. Bye bye.